Example 2. Solving an equation algebraically when the variable appears on both sides. We want to solve the equation 4 times parentheses x minus 3 parentheses plus 12, which is equal to 15 minus 5 times left parenthesis x plus 6 right parenthesis. So what we want to do is apply standard algebraic properties. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to be able to distribute the 4 to x minus 3 and the minus 5 to x plus 6. So distributing the 4, we get 4x minus 4 times 3, which is minus 12, plus 12 on the left side of the equation, which is equal to 15 minus 5 times x is minus 5x, minus 5 times plus 6 is minus 30. Now the next thing we want to do is combine like terms on the left side. Well, you can see here that we have the opposites, negative 12 plus 12, which give you 0. So what's left is 4x, which is equal to 15 minus 5x minus 30. So we can combine 15 and subtract 30. If you take 15 and subtract 30, we get negative 15 minus 5x. We want to get the variables on one side of the equation, so we're going to add the opposite here. So we're going to add 5x to both sides. So 4x plus 9x, 5x gives you 9x. Minus 5x plus 5x gives you 0. And what's left on the right side is negative 15. Now we divide both sides by 9, so x is going to equal negative 15 divided by 9. We want to make sure that we reduce that fraction so that they both have a common factor of 3. The solution x is going to equal negative 5 over 3. So the solution set is, brace is negative 5/3. And it's a conditional statement because we got one unique solution. Now if we wanted to check, we can plug in negative 5/3 back into the original equation. So here we have 4 times negative 5/3 minus 3. So if we multiply 4 times the fraction, we multiply 4 times the numerator, so we get negative 20 over 3 minus 12 plus 12. That's going to equal 15 minus 5 times minus 5/3 gives you positive 25 over 3 minus 30. So when we combine like terms, we can eliminate the 12 and negative 12. So we get negative 20 over 3 on the left side. Over here, we got 15 minus 30, which gives us negative 15. And then if we want to find a common denominator, our common denominator is going to be 3. So 1 times 3 is going to give you 3. 15 times 3 gives you 45. When we combine those fractions, we get negative 20 over 3, which equals the left side. So therefore, we know that it works. Now, this problem requires a distributive property to be applied twice, and then the properties of algebra are used to reach the final line where x is equal to negative 5/3.